Here is my message for you: overcoming the thought of your sweet and bitter past. Many people are actually broken down because of their sweet past, while others are full of regret because of their bitter past, when they are supposed to become a better person by such great first-hand experience they encountered in person and not through studies. The lessons of our past has become a great blessing to many who hear about the experience. So we shouldn't allow what we go through, that is becoming a blessing to others, helping them to avoid such issues in life, to become our own downfall, because we are holding on to it instead of letting it go so we can move on in life. For many are living in the present without leaving the past behind. If you carry the past in your head as you are moving ahead, you will continue to encounter your past in all phases of life, because like I said in one of our quotes, that your future is not ahead but in your head. So it is the future in your head that you create to meet the future ahead. So by carrying the past in your head, you are going to keep encountering your past even as you are moving ahead. For anything you carry in your mind either becomes a blessing or a burden to you. But many fail to carry the right thing that they need in their next step, which is why they are wasting their time carrying what they don't need in life. Going with the pains of your past without actually looking into the lessons of it to create your blessing will break you down in life. Our mind has the ability to carry even the greater things in this world and help us paint out those pictures to create greater things in this life. But it does not possess the ability to carry two opposite things at the same time, for it will indeed distract us by distracting our mind to create for us a clearer picture on the path to take in life. For our mind is indeed of a great blessing to us, but when it is not being controlled or allowed to carry the things that we actually need, it becomes a burden to us. Our thoughts, either good or bad, cannot stop the day. It can't stop the rising of the sun, nor stop the setting of the sun. But it can stop us by limiting us and our ability to be able to do what we are to do daily. Like we all know that the creation of this world by the grace of God was in 7 days, and every day was a unique day for something greater. If we allow our thoughts to stop us, the day will keep on going, but will be limited to do something meaningful with the day. Let go of your past and stop dwelling in them, for it is better to be dirty, digging a new foundation that you are to use to build a better future, than to dwell in your thought thinking about the good moment of the past and becoming clean by not achieving anything. So learn from the past and don't allow the past to control you to destroy your future. For indeed, tomorrow will soon become today, and when it becomes today, it will soon become yesterday. For every day is a blessing for us to create a better past, a better present, and a better future. For today was once tomorrow, and today will soon become yesterday. And so also, yesterday was once tomorrow that becomes today and now became yesterday. So please, every day is another great opportunity for us to create a better past, create a better present, and create a better future. Thank you. God bless you.
Keep watching.
Kariga Kanlo.
Etsubo Mawo.
Continue à regarder.
Let's fix it with Efua.